right, for the order of operations, I have written myself a little cheat sheet up here just to remind me that the order that we have to do things is all grouping symbols first, then all exponents, and then multiplication and division, or division and multiplication. It's whichever comes first, left to right. And then we finally wrap up with either addition and then subtraction or subtraction and then addition. Again, it's order from left to right. So when we look at problem A, we see right off the bat that we have a grouping symbol. These parentheses right here are a grouping symbol. These parentheses here are not. Okay, so this set of parentheses is just simply meaning multiplication. And so that's why we don't really talk about P anymore, because it's not necessarily parentheses, it's grouping. So let's go ahead and take care of this. 9 minus 6, of course, is 3. So we wind up with 3 inside the parentheses with an exponent of 3. And then we have 2 times 3. Okay? So now we look for exponents. Well, we do have exponents right here. 3 to the third power is not 9. Okay? 3 to the third power means 3 times itself again. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So 3 raised to the third power is 27. Then we have a minus and a 2 and a times and a 3. So at this point, we're left with subtraction and multiplication. So would we subtract 27 minus 2 first, or would we multiply 2 times 3 first? I think you can agree that we're going to need to multiply first, and then the last step would be to subtract. So I will let you finish that on your own. Moving on to B, we have really several grouping symbols. We learned that parentheses are definitely the most common kind of grouping symbol, but a big old division bar also serves as a grouping symbol, because we need to figure out whatever is on top and then whatever's on the bottom before we hit the division. So let's go ahead and tackle the top here. Okay, so the top, we're going to take care of 5 plus 4 and get 9. So we wind up with 10 parentheses 9 on the top, and then 3 to the second power, we could go ahead, since it's grouping, we could go ahead and deal with that next. 3 to the second power is 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, we keep on going, so we're still going to need to do the top part since this is still sort of a grouping symbol. 10 times 9 is 90. And then we have this bar, which of course means to divide by 9 on the bottom. And I will leave it to you to figure out the answer for that one.